If your hair is not growing as fast as you would want it to grow, or you're experiencing hair breakage, hair fall, hair shedding, or your hair is too thin, it's not that healthy, and you want to improve the texture and health of your hair, then this DIY hair growth recipe is for you. It is actually one of my favorite DIY recipes using natural ingredients. So to start with, we're going to need some aloe vera. So I just needed a little portion of the aloe vera. Then the leftover, this is how you store it in the refrigerator. You cover it with a foil paper, then you put it in your refrigerator until the next time you're ready to use. At this point, I'm going to put some water in a bowl like so, and I'm going to place the aloe vera into that water, allow it to sit in the water overnight. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So my second natural ingredient for this DIY hair growth recipe is rosemary herbs. I use the fresh rosemary herbs today, but feel free to use the dried ones. I love the smell of rosemary. I also love what it does to my hair. Rosemary can improve blood circulation in your scalp, which will in turn help you grow new healthy hair. Rosemary can also stop hair breakage, hair fall, and strengthen your hair strands. Alright, so I left the aloe vera to soak overnight. Then the next morning, I started taking out the gel. Look at how juicy this aloe vera is. I just love aloe vera. Aloe vera contains vitamins and minerals that can strengthen your hair strands. Aloe vera can condition your hair to prevent your hair from breakage. It is going to add some shine to your hair. It is also going to treat your scalp from scalp inflammation, from dandruff, or any other thing that might be hindering your hair from growing. Aloe vera can also stimulate blood flow to your scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. This natural ingredient is one of my favorite. I love how slimy it is because when you use it in your hair, especially the type 4 hair, it helps keep it soft, well moisturized, makes detangling so much easier. So this is my rosemary herb. So once rosemary herb starts to boil, you're going to allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. After that, you're going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. So I'm going to take equal amount of the rosemary water and the aloe vera gel. I'm going to measure it with a measuring cup. It doesn't have to be exact. Too much or too less of any of these natural ingredients is not going to harm your hair in any way. Again, they are all natural ingredients. So after measuring these two, I'm going to put it in a blender like so. I'm also going to add the rosemary herbs, the one we just boiled, into that blender. I'm going to blend this together until it is really smooth. Again, this is one of my favorite DIY hair growth recipes. I just love what it does to my hair. This DIY recipe is super powerful, guys. Do not sleep on this. You just have to know the right way to use it in order to get all the benefits out of it. I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks you need to know about this DIY hair growth recipe. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video so you do not miss all the important information. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so this is the residue for straining my DIY natural ingredients blended together. It is very, very important to strain this DIY recipe, guys. Regardless of how smooth it comes out of the blender, you still want to strain it. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of pulps in your hair, and I don't want you to learn it the hard way. At this point, I'm going to add some castor oil. Castor oil is a very thicker oil. It keeps your hair moisturized, strengthens your hair strands, and even adds some shine to your hair. With this quantity, I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of my castor oil. Then I'm going to give it a good stir. If you do not have castor oil, feel free to use any plant-based oil that works really well with your hair, like olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, just to mention a few. You go through the same process and add about a tablespoon or half a tablespoon to your DIY recipe. I also love to add essential oils to my DIY recipes. Essential oils have their own benefits for our hair growth. They are going to strengthen your hair strands and also treat your scalp. Today I decided to use peppermint essential oil because I love the smell and what it does to my scalp. You don't have to use the same essential oil. Feel free to use rosemary essential oil, any essential oil that you have. I added about 3 drops of my essential oil to this amount of my DIY hair growth spray. After that, I'm going to transfer it into a spray bottle like so. You just made yourself a very potent hair growth spray. All you're going to do is to apply this on your scalp, on your hair strands, and massage it in. Follow with the leave-in conditioner and put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Be consistent with the use for faster results. Use this at least 4 times a week. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home.